In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments from customers in QuickBooks Desktop. Before we begin, it's important to mention that the process shown here starts from the user management area in QuickBooks Desktop, so you'll need the correct level of access in order to continue. To do this successfully, make sure you are signed in as the admin user because standard users may not have permission to manage company access or adjust user-related settings. Once you're logged in as admin, go to the top menu and select Company. From there, choose Users and then click Set up Users and Roles. This will open the area where QuickBooks lets you manage who has access to the company file and what they are allowed to do. If you're following along, take your time here and make sure you've opened the correct company file before making any changes. At this point, QuickBooks Desktop will require an online Intuit account in order to manage users for the company. If you already have an Intuit account, simply sign in. If not, you'll need to create one and then continue. This online sign-in is used to verify access and connect you to the user management tools, so don't be surprised if QuickBooks prompts you to complete that step before moving forward. After you've logged in, QuickBooks will take you to the user management screen. This is where you can add users, remove users, and define their permissions. Permissions are especially important because they control what each person can see and do inside the company file. For example, depending on the role you assign, a user may be able to view certain areas, enter transactions, or manage specific parts of the system. It's a good idea to review these permissions carefully so that each user has the access they need, without giving more access than necessary. As you work in this screen, make sure you double-check each role and permission before saving any changes. That can help prevent confusion later, especially if multiple people use the same QuickBooks company file. Keeping user access organized is one of the easiest ways to maintain accuracy and security in your records. Once you've added or updated the users and their permissions, you're all set. That's how you access the user management area in QuickBooks Desktop and use it to manage company users.